DK Custom Products coil relocation kits for the Dyna fit the 1999 through 2017 Dynas, all Dynas that have a twin cam. They were designed and made in the USA by DK Custom Products, and they have our lifetime warranty. Besides looking good, a lot of people think the coil looks better on the side of the engine. Harley started doing that with the 2018 Softails factory. When you put the coil on the side of the cylinders, it frees up the space behind the rear cylinder, allowing air to flow around it, and you'll see a 10 to 15 degree drop in temperature by relocating the coil. And that's important on the twin cams because they have a problem with running warm. These fit EFI and carb bikes. They're plug and play. You can run them with a coil cover or without a coil cover. You can run them with Screaming Eagle wires, 409 Pro Race wires, or even your own custom wires. You can run them with a tank lift or without a tank lift. You can see more photos and full details on the Dyna coil relocation kit at the link below. If you liked this video or found it useful, please hit the like button. If you have a friend who has a Dyna, share this video with them. Let them know their options. Also, if you have a Sportster or Softail, we have coil relocations for them. Check them out on our website. Live free, ride free, and y'all be safe out there.